Hey y'all, welcome back. This is Lindy, or I'm Lindy. And this is Lindiorslife and you're back for another one, okay? And today we're doing a day in my life / get ready with me / let's have a real good Saturday because it started off immaculate. I'm gonna tell you how my Saturday went as I do my hair. But yes, welcome back. We're getting into a pixie today again, because I have been neglecting my good sister for a wig all week. Probably like a week and some change. So we getting into a pixie today. But let me tell y'all why my day ate down. So far, so good. Okay, so this Saturday was so good because I was up early, active, and I really got to it today. It also was good because I ended off Friday with my house clean. Amen. So after work, I, ate, cleaned my house, chilled, because I got to go to the gym earlier on Friday, and it was just a good setup. So this morning I got up. I should record all this, but honestly I wouldn't even think about it. I do have some clips, so the clips that I did record I will post in my little story time of the best Saturday ever. Hopefully I have enough water in here too, because I find that when you have too much mousse, not enough water, it'd be like a film on your hair, and I don't like that. So hopefully, let me get that nape of that neck. Please don't, I don't know why I'm being so chaotic either. I literally have 2 hours before I need to be, actually really before I need to leave the house. I got 2 hours before I need to leave the house, because I'm going to a birthday dinner. But yes, so I got up early listening to the old school reggae, just having a good morning. I got to the gym at like 11, and I got on the Stairmaster immediately because I've been doing this, I guess it's like a 30-day Stairmaster challenge, just being on the Stairmaster for 30 minutes to 45 minutes every day. Yeah, and it's only been 6 days, but I've been sticking to it, so I do really plan on getting to the end, because I've shifted into gears as far as like seriously dieting, seriously working out, and just taking this stuff seriously again. After my 75 hard, I definitely took a very big break as far as like caring about my eating. And I just realized that's not doing me no. It's actually doing me a disservice to not give a F about what I put in my body. So I said, we got a good 3-4 months until summer. Much like everybody else, it's time to lock in. Okay, so this has been my first week of locking in, because it was the first week of March, and it's been good. That's what I'm working on. But that was a long ass tangent, just basically saying that I went to the gym this morning. I did 30 minutes on the Stairmaster, then I did a leg day. I've been I'm gonna like split up my leg day in 2 different days, but once a week for my just for March, because for March I just really want to focus on cardio. But then after that I was like, oh, it's such a nice day, because it literally, this little 64 68 that we got today, I was like, oh, I gotta go outside. Like, I can't just go from my house to the gym and back to indoors. So if you live in Charlotte, then you know what the rail trail is. I went on the rail trail in South End, and I walked for another 30 to 45 minutes. Just being active outside. I got a little tan line on my forehead because of that too, but we won't discuss that. Are we gonna let it thrive for a little longer? We let the pixie go. Like, the summer's coming around. Let me dry this hair and start this makeup, and we'll be back. We'll be back.
Where my bad bitches I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. Yeah. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
high volume, high volume,
bitch, okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga, call my.
We're back, and the hair is dry, and the lashes are done, and I even did my brows. Ooh, we finna get this face together. I'm excited. I'm trying not to do too much because when I get excited, I do too much. But let's get into it. But like I said, I'm going to a birthday dinner. Literally this month of March, everybody was born in March at this point. But I'm grateful. I love having friends. I love having friends who invite me places. I love people to hang out with. Love community. So yes, let's go out to eat. You know, y'all know. If you don't know, you're new here and you don't know Lindy, love a good reason to look cute and dress up. So I ain't mad at it. I've been so into the Caribbean vibes, like the reggae, the dance hall, the soca. I've been into it all day since literally I opened my eyes. But I love you in every way. Ooh, it got out of hand. So that got out of hand, and I would wipe it off, but I don't really even have nothing to wipe it off on. Also, I heard that today's the last day of daylight savings. That's why I'm lit. That's why I've been having such a great day, because I'm finally getting my time back. You feel me? I'm so excited about that. And I'm just doing one concealer today. I think we'll see. I don't know when I became a brush girl and not a beauty blender girl, but it was a very random switch, but I love it. Do y'all like the brown lashes? I feel like you can't even tell that they're brown. I ended up having to use like 4 mediums and 3 mediums and 2 smalls, because the larges were just doing too much for me. And I still am not like super sold on it. I thought it was gonna be like more subtle because it's brown, right? But it really just looked like black. I work in it. I work in it. Now to put it all together. Literally just one pump. And I blend for my life, okay? Now it's time to hit it with the powders. I'm gonna do the orange first. Okay, now let's finish it off with the pink. I'm just gonna flip it over because, yeah. Ooh, I gotta take a step back. I'm with the lip on last and get down to my hair. And it's 8 o'clock, so we're doing good. Okay, protect that heat. Come on. I haven't done this in a week, or a week and some change, so I am a little scared that it doesn't turn out cute, but I have faith in myself. Being closer.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be not disturb, bitch. I'm with my.
Okay, girlies, this is makeup, hair done. It's 8:25. Only 25 minutes. Put some clothes on. Lego. Cause right now, I don't know. I think the answer is no.
One thing can I truly confirm?
Dang, that's what I'm thinking too.
And I'm like, what? Who am I without my big girl? Like it could be like a delusion.
Yeah.
But I think I took it to
8:48, we need to leave expeditiously. All right, ooh, we shaking the table. All right, y'all. This is the purse, this is the outfit. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and how you go down the DMs. You know, the good old comment section. Let me know how you feel about the look. I might give y'all a little behind the scenes, but I gotta get out of here. Bye.